How to fix Valorant error code 83 easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do, just type here services, click on it, scroll down until you find VGC, right click on VGC and click properties, and once you're here, make it automatic and click apply and OK, and then close this window. After that, type here run and click on it, and here you will find local app data. Click OK. Type local app data, you will not find it. Just type here percent local app data percent and click OK, and scroll down until you find Valorant, save it and then logs. Now delete all those files here and go back, go to config and delete, first go to crash report clients and delete those files and restart your PC, and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like please, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.